Big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends out there. Today is Wednesday, and honestly, I'm pretty happy, so happy today. And why I'm happy, you know, number one, I'm so happy today is my lovely daughter' birthday, and secondly, the latest news about William Brothers set up to visit Ghana the first time, so that is why I'm so happy um, today. But before we go to um, Anyaki William and Nico William latest news, I will say my lovely family and my lovely friends out there, please help me wish my lovely daughter happy birthday. Today is so special for my daughter. So one more time, help me wish my lovely daughter happy birthday. Yes, so guys, today is my daughter birthday. So help me wish her happy birthday. So happy birthday, brother. Daddy love you. So let's go straight to the point. What is the latest news about um, William Brothers? Well, the latest news is that William Brothers set up to visit Ghana for the first time, the end of the season, and we already know that the season finishing all the Spanish La Liga, English Premier League, French League One, and Italian Serie A are finishing this week. Spanish La Liga going to finish on Sunday, and as we all know, German Bundesliga finished already, and we all know who won the league there already, Bayern Munich. So, Anyaki William and Nico Williams set up to visit Ghana for the first time. That is why I'm so happy. And I know my Ghanaian brothers, my Ghanaian sisters can't wait to welcome Williams and Nico in Ghana. That is why I'm so happy. A lot of people may ask, well, are they going to acquire their passport in Ghana? Honestly speaking, I have no idea about that, if they are working on their passport or not. I do not know anything about that. But what I knew is that Yaki William and Nico Williams set up to visit Ghana for the first time, the end of the season, and the season already finished. So let's wait and see. So guys, that is the latest news coming from um, Yaki William and Nico William. So what do you think? What do you think about this their move? Do you think it is a great move? Do you think it is about their nationality issues and all that? Like I said, I have no idea. So if I said maybe they are going to Ghana to acquire their passport and all that, um, I'm a big lie. I have no idea about that. But what I knew is that they set up to visit in Ghana for the first time, the end of the season. Yeah, so that's the latest news coming from um, Anyaki William and Nico William. So guys, what do you think? For me personally, it is a great move, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy for them to take that step. So, guys, what do you think? What do you think about it? Give your comment. What do you think? So, once again, that is the latest news coming from Manyaki and Nico to visit Ghana for the first time. So, yeah, like I said, today is my lovely daughter. So, guys, help me one more time to wish my lovely daughter happy birthday. Special for my daughter. So that is what we have for you guys today. What do you think about Anyake and Nico to visit Ghana for the first time? Give your comment. And today my lovely daughter birthday as well. So one love, guys.